Have you ever walked past your tank and instantly felt your stomach drop because something looked off? Maybe a fish hiding, breathing fast, or swimming in a way you've never seen before? In these moments, panic kicks in because the clock starts ticking. Today's article on saltwater gill infections break down the exact first steps to take during a tank emergency, how to quickly pinpoint the problem, how to give your fish the best chance of recovery. You can read it now at mantasystems.net. Tell us your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. And if you love learning how to keep your reef healthier and happier, make sure to follow along our weekly articles and our daily reefing videos. Happy reefing!